everyone, this is day 2 of my documentation on my journey. Today's trade, I broke my rules a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, I did break my rule because the trade started off with me losing $100. I think I got FOMO, and I jumped in too soon instead of waiting for confirmation on the move that I was trying to go for. I jumped in on a bullish run. So price action had just taken out the session high, or London AM. Yeah, I just took out London AM and I'm in New York now, and I bet on it trying to keep on climbing up based on the brick of structure and fair value gaps it was presenting. But what I failed to do was wait for confirmation of that move. I did see a retest, and that's when I thought, okay, I should probably enter right about now. Let me actually see my trade. Yeah, I entered on the retest and it ended up shooting down. The retest actually, it passed. It didn't invalidate the fair value gap, but then it invalidated it like 10 minutes later. So, you know, I should have waited for more bullish candles to form. And then I'm pretty sure I re-entered again out of emotion. I saw it falling down. I'm like, okay, well, now this is my original plan coming into today's trade. I thought, okay, well, price action is probably going to sweep London high, and then it's going to go for more liquidity at the bottom, which it did end up doing eventually. That was my plan from the beginning, and I deviated from that plan because of the fact, I saw a bullish structure, but obviously it didn't end up working out. So realistically, I didn't wait for my strategy to come to me, and I wasn't patient about it. I tried to force a setup. I really tried to force a setup. I think you need a level of confirmation in order to really know that a trade is going to work, right? So after I re-entered a trade, I saw it starting to like pull back and consolidate a lot. So I just I moved my TP to just like, I don't know, plus 55 or some shit, like just a super small TP, because I didn't want to risk anymore. In my mind, I was like, okay, you know what? I'm not being patient. I'm trading off emotion right now, of like a setup I saw, and I'm chasing the graph. I'm basically chasing the graph, which is something you should never do. So I exited that trade. I realized, why did I enter that trade? I entered that trade just purely because, okay, well, this is my strategy. I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. I mean, I've tested it a lot of times. Strategy is like upwards of 70 to 80% successful. Why not? I'm seeing it happen right now. Why not enter the trade on a sell? And then I saw it start to consolidate, so yeah, I just fucking exited. I hit TP at like 55. And then after that, I kind of just sat there, and I had to get my mind right, because obviously I was entering impulsively. I wasn't waiting for the setup to come to me. So I'm already 2 trades in at this point, and that's my limit for my personal rules for what I like. I only like taking 1 or 2 trades, and I think that I should be taking 1 or 2 trades, and I should hop off after a loss entirely. So, I broke that rule today, and hopefully that money doesn't get returned to the market, because you know what they say, money that you make while breaking your rules is obviously it's gonna return to the market eventually. But I end up breaking even. I end up breaking even for the day. In fact, I'm actually like $20 up or some shit. I'm like $20 up. I think that's fine. I was more patient, and I actually did wait for confirmation on the setup I was going for initially. Coming into today's market, I saw it sweep the high a second time, and then I started going down for liquidity at the bottom, which is what one of my setups is: break of structure, inverse for value gap, and retest confirmation. And obviously it grabbed liquidity at the top too, so that's like 3-4 confluences that show, okay, it's going to continue downwards strong. And it did. So that's my setup working, I made back $800 because my ratio is just 1 to 1 right now. So yeah, I made back $800. I lost 820 this my first trade, and then in that middle trade that I moved my TP to break even because I saw consolidating, which was a good move because I ended up teleporting back up to get the freaking high again. So today's profit, I'm up $30. I'm up $30 today. So we're gonna exit. We're not gonna get greedy. Market, I can't even read right now. Like it's not entirely going for bottom liquidity. It's just consolidating now. I'm sure that it'll move down eventually, but you know, we're not gonna take that risk. I'm already break even. Live to trade another day. So my other plans for today, though, I'm gonna try to market these pants for my dropshipping store. It's a sample product. End up being like really shit. End up being really shit. End up being like not that shit. It just ended up being like really skinny. So I think that's what we're gonna do for today. I don't think I would advertise this towards like. I definitely don't think that it's gonna be anything that like really super baggy that I would wear, but it's no. Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't know if I want to dropship this. Like, yeah, it's good quality. It's got like a denim feel, but at the same time, it's like thin, and I market it as like a baggy type of pants. But you know what? Maybe it's just a sample product that I got. I guess we'll figure it out. So yeah, that is day one. That is day one. And yeah, I'll see you guys on day two.